Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to activate Airalo Esim iPhone. Activating Airalo Esim on an iPhone allows you to use the eSIM technology, which is a virtual SIM card embedded in the device. This enables you to have an additional cellular plan without the need for a physical SIM card. If you are a frequent traveler, an eSIM like Airalo allows you to stay connected without the need for physical SIM cards. First of all, open Airalo in your iPhone. eSIMs enable dual SIM functionality on your iPhone, giving you the flexibility to use two different numbers or plans simultaneously. Here are different popular countries are shown. You can click on Login from the top right corner. Here is an eSIMs option also available. Tap on My eSIMs to log in or sign up. When you log in, you will see your current eSIMs here. Tap on Login or Sign Up. Here is also an option for archived eSIMs and current eSIMs. Let us log in by entering your email or simply with Google. Click on Continue. This allows the app and website to share information about you. Tap on Google and choose your Google account. Now you can use your free credit. You can use $3 Air Money credits by sharing your referral code with your friends. Airalo is a service that provides eSIM profiles for international roaming, allowing you to access mobile data and make calls in various countries without swapping physical SIM cards. Tap on Find Out How. Go back and check as you have zero Air Money for now. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on Account Information. From here, you can change your password as well. Now go back and click on Give $3 to every friend. From here, you can refer and earn. You can share your referral code and get $3 for every friend who signs up and completes a purchase. Go back and click on My eSIMs. From here, you can find out how you can share your referral code. Go back and here are different countries present. For example, select Thailand. It has 50 gigabytes of data, 100 minutes of calls, 10 days validity, and $9.90 price. Scroll down and check the packages for other countries as well, like Italy and Qatar. Open India and check its package details. It has 1 gigabyte of data, 7 days validity, and a $4.50 price. Go back and tap on Pakistan. It has 1 gigabyte of data that costs $5 and 7 days validity. Scroll down and you can click on Buy Now. With eSIMs, you can activate a new plan remotely, providing convenience and flexibility. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.